Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to sell digital products like ebooks, PDFs, or audio files on your e-commerce site. Let's say you've created an ebook in PDF format and want to sell it online. After following this simple tutorial, your customers will be able to buy and instantly download your product from your website. All you need is an e-commerce website. If you don't have one yet, check out our tutorial to create one quickly. Step 1. Add your digital product. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Products. Add New. Enter your product name and price. Enable the downloadable checkbox to make it a digital product. Upload your file, add a product image, and click Publish. Now your product is live on your site and ready to be sold. Step 2. Simplify the checkout. Since digital products don't need shipping, let's remove the unnecessary address fields. Go to Plugins greater than Add, New.Search, and install a plugin like Digital Goods for WooCommerce Checkout. Activate it and select which checkout fields to remove. Save your settings. Now your customers can purchase without filling out shipping details. Bonus: set a download limit. If you want to control how many times a customer can download your product, go back to the product settings in WordPress. Scroll to download limit and set a number, e.g. 2. Click Update. Now the product can only be downloaded the set number of times. And that's it. You've now learned how to sell digital downloads on your site.